In this video, we will see few applications of 2:1 mux. So let's discuss the first problem. Implement half adder using 2:1 mux. So first we will see the half adder. So we know that the circuit diagram of half adder is this is sum and this is carry out. Sum is equal to A XOR B and carry out is equal to AB. So we have two functions. Let us see the truth table. A, B are the input, S and C naught are the output. If A and B are 0, 0, sum and C out is equal to 0. For 0, 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1, 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. And for the input 1, 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now we want to implement this using 2:1 mux. We can observe that we have two output functions and hence we require two 2:1 mux. So let us see one by one. First I am going to take the sum. So take a 2:1 mux. I naught, I1, sum. A I am taking as a select line. If you wish, you can also take B as a select line. It's up to you. So when A is 0, we will see that sum is equal to B. So I naught will be B. If A is 1, in that case we can see that sum is equal to complement of B. So B will be writing B bar. Now if we will see the carry out, it is a 2 input AND gate and we know that 0 is a dominating input for 2 input AND gate. So if any one input goes 0, output will be 0. So select line I am taking as A. So if A is equal to 0, it is going to give me the output 0. If A is equal to 1, it is going to give me the output B. So this is the C out. So in the previous lecture also, when we were implementing various logic gates, we have implemented 2 input XOR gate and AND gate individually. Now we will see how to implement a function which is more than 2 variables. So take a simple function. Second problem. Implement three input AND gate using 2:1 mux. So let us call the inputs are A, B and C, and the output is F. So if A is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Output will be 1. So if any one input is 0, it is going to give me the output 0. Now let us see how can we implement this using 2:1 mux. So basic diagram of 2:1 mux. I naught, I1, A I am taking as a select line. So if A is 0 or if any one input is 0, it is going to produce an output 0. So we can see that for the first 4 row where the A is 0, the output is 0. So we will write 0. Now if A is 1, output depends on B and C. So we will write BC on the second input, and F is going to be the 3 input function ABC. Now if we want to implement a BC, I need one more 2:1 mux. Thank you.